Yes, we have successfully completed our 2 presentation. So now it's turn to call the third team, that is a raw team under the leadership of Rupam. So come here and give the presentation.
Good evening to all of you and respected G. Kumar sir. So today's class conducted by presentation, and I am here the topics of row agent. It's the wonderful topics of row agent and intelligence for intelligence of our India. So his the topic is row. I am introduce my teammates. I am Rupam Kumari and my teammates are Selja Di, Sohani Di, Priya Di and Goody Di and Kamni Di. So let me introduce my content parts. My content is introduction, history, about two best agents and organization and so on. So let me introduce my content parts. Introductions. I have two questions of introduction. What is the row and what is the role of row agent in our India? The row is the extent of research and analysis wing of our India, is the foreign intelligence of peak point of India's, and is go for other country and is the information collecting in sent the our government in our prime minister, only of our prime minister is the motto famous of Dharmo Rachati Rachitas, is famous motto of intelligence agency of India's, and is the biggest opportunity for peoples is go for other country and change your religions, change your language, change your bodies and facing of many problems, and you give me send the information. What is the role of India's? Is the biggest role of India is not watching all people is agents, but he is the say is the successful man's and go for other countries and foreign intelligence agencies is famous. He is the maintaining of global information in row agents. So next my topic is history. After the Indo and China wars in 1962 and the Indo-Pakistan war in 1965 is the not qualified and weak point of IB. IB is the full form of Intelligence Bureau of First India's Intelligence Bureau of India's, and is the time of British Raj in India. After the independence of India, IB first Indian director of Sanjeev Pillai. So he is the greatest rule and he is the oldest intelligence of our India's, is the established in 1887 of India's, is a great role, but he is the weak of limited in India's boundary, he is the not go for other foreign intelligence agency, he is the internal, but row is the internal external both arts informations. So collecting IB and row are differentiated between. IB is the intelligence bureau and is the after before names IB is the IPI. So is the changing of India independence is IB. Is the row. Row is the promoting in Rameswar Nath Kao. He is the management director of and is the under the Indira Gandhi times. He is the full-fledged needed service of intelligence agency in time of 1968. So my second topic is about two best agents. He is the powerful best agents. First is the black people of the black tiger of our intelligence spy of India is Ravindranath Kaushik. Ravindranath Kaushik is the better successful man, is the training of 2 years in Delhi. He go for Pakistan is successfully your missions, and he is the joining of Karachi University and complete your LLBs graduations and go for commissioner office, and he is the post of major in Pakistan army. A collective of many information, but one problems India has second agent sent is the meetings of second agent are facing the problems tortures and say that Ravindranath Kaushik is the undercover agent in the Pakistan presence. So the action of Pakistan army Ravindranath Kaushik's arrests and tortures, but he does not say the problem information in other country. He is a great man and the title of in the black tiger of our Indira Gandhi of prime ministers. So second topic is Ajit Doval. Ajit Doval is the greatest people because all things are involving. Is the Sikkim as promoting is the involvement. Mizoram are part of India is the involving. Surgical strike win the involving. Is many things are surgical. He is the James Bond of our India's. because he is the IPS officer is a Kerala grad, and he is the second is the joining of 20 years IB officer, and the IB spy times he go for Pakistan 1 year's information collecting and sent for the prime ministers, and he is the great fully successfully coming, and 6 year is the commissioner office in Islamabad, in a span of 7th year in Pakistan is successfully in comings, and every situation are handled for easy, cool minds is a not a yeah what is the happenings. She is a very grateful man. Is Ajit Doval is the current chief of National Security Advisors is present, and the most powerful trusted people of our Prime Minister is the Ajit Doval. He trusted people, any situation are handling and any problems are facing is not a fair. He is the very youngest, and here your problems are facing. So my next group team members are coming, the Suhani Di.
I have two contents. In my first content is structure and organization of RAW. In structure and organization of RAW has under command of Prime Minister and under command of Prime Minister of India's all senior ranks form top government intelligence agency like IB, and RAW major function is collect to sort information intelligence agency and foreign intelligence agency. And my second is advantage and drawbacks. In advantage, research and analyzing wing is India's external intelligence of agency, while is make difficult to comparison with other foreign agency. And my last is drawbacks. As last knowledge in September 2021 is some provide some general issues. Some provide general issues. RAW agent can solve the many issues, but few times RAW agent have not technological capability. Then RAW agent can't be solve some general issues. And my next team member is Priyadi.
Okay, my content is objectives of RAW. Okay, my content is objectives of RAW. So first of all, as you can see on the screen, first collecting the foreign intelligence, encourage counter-proliferation, actively participated in counter-terrorism, advising Indian decision makers, and last one is developing India's strategic interests. So this was the starting. So monitoring the political, military and economic and scientific developments in countries which have a direct bearing on India's national securities and the formulation of its foreign policy, and the Okay, so I am coming back to my topic. So molding the international public opinion and influence its foreign governments, and third topic is covered operations to safeguard India's national interests, and last and anti-terror operations and neutralizing elements such as posing a threat to India. In the past also we have seen the India-Pakistan war of 1962, and due to volatile relations with Pakistan, at that time Mills RAW had objective including the first one is to watch and development of the international communism and the schism of between two big communist nations. The first one is the Soviet Union and the second one is China.
So the slides also we are little bit here.
Okay, so my next content is operations and achievements of RAW. So first of all, guys, there are many operations carried out by the RAW, but now we are going to see some of those operations who was really dedicated and important for RAW. So now you can see on the screen is Operation Smiling Buddha. So first of all, we should know what is Operation Smiling Buddha. It is not the operation to increase the money by keeping a smiling Buddha in home. This operation is related to the maintenance of the secrecy of the first nuclear program in 1974. And you know, this was the secret mission. Like many intelligence agencies was unaware of the fact that is India were launching their nuclear program. And the next operation is Sikkim. So friends, you know that Sikkim is a northeast state of India, but till 1975 this state was ruled by Maharaja Dharam, and in 1972 Prime Minister Indira Gandhi Prime Minister Indira Gandhi ordered to RAW undertake and establish a pro-Indian democratic government. So, and third one is Mumbai attack. So it is a matter of concern for all of us, not only about the Indians, because you know Mumbai attacks, which is also known as the 2008 Mumbai attacks. So it is the story behind it. A Pakistani group organization named as Lashkar-e-Taiban, who attacked on Mumbai, but like I can say that how it engaging in this operation. So before about 6 months before, RAW had intercepted telephonic calls, and which calls that pointed that terrorists are planning to attack on Mumbai. And now I am going to move towards my achievement. So first, creation of Bangladesh in 1971. So RAW was crucial in assisting the Bangladesh independence movement against Pakistan. How? Because RAW had trained many like Bangladeshi armed forces, and due to that it is successfully.
Okay, fine, don't do that.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay, my last.
Okay, it's fine. Pause.
Yeah, so surgical strike in 2016. So many Indian army were attacked by Pakistan. So RAW played a vital role to information about the opponent's military manpower and their positions, etc. So this was all about my content. So I'm going to call my other teammate Saljadi. Please come on the stage, Saljadi. Thank you so much, everyone.
My content part is qualities, qualification, training and requirement and salary. These are very crucial, important for RAW agent. RAW agent is principle to protect Indian security, to protect from all enemies. It is radical and logical is required, and it is very important. And it is very important for visit any country in any situation. To participate in physical activities as a RAW agent, you must be physical fit. And my next content is qualifications. It must be an Indian citizen. It must not be it not must be from drugs. It not must be criminal record. and it is one thing is very important for raw agent. It is important for strong education from reputable university, and raw agent is once joining raw. It is 20 years of experience is must. Now my next content part is training. There are two types of training. First one is basic training and second one is advanced training. Basic training means it refers to instruction to new military personnel and under 10 days training. And advanced training means skill is very important after basic training. And it is one foreign language is very important for raw agent. And last one is requirement and salary. It takes a lot of effort, and some examination is very important for raw agent, like CGP examination means combined graduate preliminary examination, and second one is SSC examination, staff selection commission, and last one is group A examination is very important for raw agent, group A civil service examination. And raw agent wants joining raw. It is must these contents. And my last point is a salary of an agent is 80,000 to 1,30,000 in each month. Thank you, sir. I would like to call Goody to get further information.
My content is current news of raw. Raw current chief name is Ravi Sinha and headquarter is New Delhi. A joint intelligence hidden by a senior IPS officer. The intelligence input for IB, raw military intelligence, naval intelligence, air force intelligence, and other agents. A major function of raw it is short information of intelligence. Those can be external, internal security of India. The content securities is view. It can be modify or change at time under the guidance for PMO, Ministry of Home, Ministry of External, Ministry of Affairs, and Republic of India. Raw anniversary of 55 years old. Thank you. My next team member is Kamni.
My content part is amazing facts of raw. To join raw, your parents must be Indian. RTI cannot be filled on raw because it is a matter of national security. Raw sends its reports to the Prime Minister. There is no permanent job in raw. In this job, even your family members do not, even your if you want to be rich, doesn't join raw. There is no similarity between the raw detective of films and real raw detective. Indian raw has been Indian Raw has been created of Raw. The lines of American CIA, the created of Raw agent aspired with his life. Even the wife of a Raw agent does not know that her husband is a Raw agent. Officers who are posted on duty in Raw agent get guns. They just use their brains. Thank you. My next team member is coming, Rupamdi.
So I conclude the topics is the famous topics and is the interesting topic is the not related to CBI and ED because CBI is the limited of India's but RAW agent is the foreign intelligence agency of India's. I don't know what is the RAW agent but sir is the appointed and is the choose of RAW agents and I am understand the RAW agent. My group members are also the following my coordinations and he is the very rich and he is the searching of skill development and use of websites Wikipedia, source of Byju's and Unacademies and many more is using of conclusions times are RAW is the famous of nuclear programs is involving and a surgical strike win of RAWs are involving many more are RAW is involving of times and very grateful journey of RAW in times.
Okay, fine. You show me your slide. Next slide. And you have covered that about Kaushik,
Yes, sir.
Who you are? Yeah. We have covered about the Ajit Doval and Kaushik.
Me.
You have. Show me the picture of this Ravindra Kaushik. So, if our agent, our RAW agent, goes to another country, and let's say if he has been arrested because of some reason, so do you think India will come and India will protect the RAW agent?
No sir.
Why?
Because if the RAW agent in the other countries is arrested, India's are not responsibilities, and his the death in other countries is also no responsibilities. And Rabindranath Kaushik also death in Pakistan is desires problems.
Very good. Yes, next member. Show me your slide. Structure of RAW. Next slide. You tell me how RAW is able to maintain the internal security of this country. How RAW is playing the important role in securing our internal security.
RAW agent playing to our internal security like individual, and RAW agent is a very dangerous full advantage, and it is a very work in like individual way.
Okay, third member, come here. You said about the role of RAW to in Sikkim, for Sikkim.
Yes.
You said about the contribution of RAW to make Sikkim a part of India.
Yes.
So can you tell me the detailed picture of RAW agents, what they play a role in the Sikkim integration to the nation? You have said about the Sikkim state, no?
Yes, yes,
RAW play
I
very
said
important
that.
role, no?
Yes,
Can
yes.
you tell me the brief about the agents? Name the agents.
Yes,
who
no
are
sir, I
involved.
don't know about the agents, but at that time administration of the Indira Gandhi, so he
And you
ordered.
said that time Sikkim was under the control of Raja Chogyal,
Yes,
not
yes,
Raja
sir.
Hari.
like that time as monarchy system was following that, but in 1975, like Indira Gandhi said that raw.
Okay.
Yes.
I want to divert your mind from Sikkim to the Smiling Buddha.
Yes.
So, how Raw play an important role in order to hide the intelligence report of Smiling Buddha? Because
So
that
big-
time, in fact, United States was not able to get the information about the Smiling Buddha. How was it possible at that time?
So because Rameswar Nath Kao had played a vital role to maintain the secrecy, and you know that RAW is an external intelligence agency, but this was the first time where India launching the nuclear program. So this was the first time to secret the mission with the help of Rameswar Nath Kao and coordination with the Indira Gandhi. So
Okay, third member, the fourth member. You show me this, yes? Qualification. So can IPS become the member of RAW?
Yes, sir. IS, IPS, and IRS is important for qualification.
Can you give me the examples of IPS officer who became the RAW agents?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay, go. Ajit Doval. Okay. So my next slide. You have covered this much. So, how RAW is connected to the citizen of this country? How RAW is connected to you? Have you seen any RAW agents in society? Okay, you tell me the motto of RAW. Why RAW? RAW has made in India. Why we make RAW? Tell me the objective function of RAW. RAW का काम क्या है बोलो?
Raw intelligence of information,
Information. What kind of information?
information of chief.
Information related to security, internal security. Yes. Next member come here. Kamini. So here are other facts. That much. So what have you learned from your presentation? What have you learned from your presentation? You.
My presentation is best. My hard working is very.
What kind of skill have you acquired during the presentation session, during the preparation of presentation? क्या क्या सीखी हो presentation के टाइम में? That's why I'm asking you.
Learning,
Learning,
speaking.
speaking. Okay, fair enough. Yes, Captain, come and conclude the session.
So thank you for everyone. You compromise my presentations. So here is the message of everyone. This is not an end point. This is the starting for everyone. It is skill development in futures, and here is the skills are developing your language, your speakings, and many more. And here is the not believe in your luck. it believe in your hard workings, because you prove in hard working and coming the presentations and prove hard workings is successful, and is a win of presentations, and is the mind of checkings, your mind are capabilities are mentions, is the good things.